In this video, I will show you how to install Kodi on Roku Stick. Since there's no official Kodi app for Roku, you can't simply install Kodi on Roku players. Plus, Roku have closed system software, meaning users are unable to sideload applications or jailbreak Roku streaming devices unlike Fire Sticks. Because of this, the only way to play Kodi on Roku is to use the screen mirroring feature. To do this, the first thing that you'll need to do is to press the home button on your Roku remote to make sure you're on the home page. Go to settings, select settings in the menu and click OK on the remote. Select system and click OK. Go to screen mirroring and press OK. Go to screen mirroring mode and choose your preferred mode. Select screen mirroring mode and press OK. Now select either always allow or prompt and press OK. If you choose prompt, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the connection whenever you try to mirror your screen. Always allow will let any device connect automatically. A check mark will appear next to your section. Now, to be able to mirror Kodi to Roku from a Windows PC, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and head over into the Windows Action Center. By clicking on the icon or pressing the Windows key A, you should see some icons, but if you don't, click Expand. Click on the Connect icon to open the side menu. Click on the Roku player from the list and select Allow on your Roku. Use your Roku remote to choose either Allow or Always Allow and press OK. You'll see your Windows screen on your TV and you can now view Kodi through your Roku. And that's basically how you can install Kodi on Roku Stick. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.